In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your financial records by categorizing uncategorized income transactions in your banking section. Keeping your financial transactions well organized can significantly streamline your bookkeeping process and ensure accurate reporting. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the banking section of your accounting software. Look for the For Review tab. This area is where your uncategorized transactions are waiting to be classified. It's crucial to regularly monitor and update this section to maintain the accuracy of your financial records. Once you're in the For Review tab, your task is to identify any transactions marked as uncategorized income. These are transactions that have been imported from your bank and need to be properly allocated to reflect their correct purpose within your financial records. Proper categorization not only helps you during tax season, but also provides clear insights into your revenue streams. After identifying these transactions, click on each one to categorize them. This step is where you decide on the appropriate category for each transaction. Most commonly, you'll find these should be categorized under sales or other income, depending on the nature of the transaction. Take a moment to consider what each transaction corresponds to in your business activities. Consistent and accurate categorization is essential to reflect your business's financial health and assist you in making informed decisions. As you proceed, if you find similar transactions consistently coming through, consider setting up rules within your software to automatically categorize them in the future. This can save you time and reduce the margin for error down the line. Once you've selected the appropriate category for each transaction, don't forget the final and very important step: save your changes. This ensures that the updates you've made are securely recorded in your system. By saving, you guarantee that your financial data remains up to date and accurate, reflecting the true financial status of your business. Remember, this process is not just about ticking off a checklist. It's about ensuring that your financial documentation accurately portrays your business operations. Regularly reviewing and categorizing transactions helps in maintaining a clear financial picture, facilitating better business analysis and planning. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken a vital step towards mastering your bookkeeping tasks. Keeping tabs on your finances is crucial for any business, and organizing uncategorized income is a fundamental part of this. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this demonstration has provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to keep your financial records precise and organized. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your business finances effectively.